Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to install HiDream model on our local system and we will generate images from text. This is a new open source image generation model with 17 billion parameters that achieves state-of-the-art image generation quality within seconds, but we are going to check out that claim which has been made on their GitHub repo. The key features are three. It generates or produces exceptional results across multiple styles, including photorealistic, cartoon, artistic, and more. And we are going to test it out. Plus, it has achieved industry leading scores on GenEval and DPG benchmark, and all that information is available on their Hugging Face card. And I will drop the link to it in video's description. It is also open source and has been released under MIT license. Now, one thing which I'm still not sure about its commercial usage, because on their Hugging Face page they say it can be used for commercial applications and that sort of stuff. But the thing is that behind the scene, it also downloads Meta's Llama 3.1 8 billion instruct model, which I don't think so is Apache 2 license. So if you are installing it for commercial purposes, I would highly recommend check the licensing before you do so. Anyway, let's get it installed and we will see how it works in terms of quality. I also want to thank Mass Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video, because in order to run this model, I believe you would need around 60 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on a very affordable prices, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description. Plus, I will also give you a 50% discount coupon for range of GPUs. This is my VM and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. Let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. Now let's install the torch and torch vision, transformers and stuff. This is going to take a minute or so. And while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. And next up, let's git clone the repo of this HiDream. And then all you need to do is to run this gradio demo from your local system. And the first time when you're going to run it, it is going to download all the models. So let's wait for it. And there you go, all the components have been downloaded. Let me now open this in our localhost at the gradio default port of 7860. And a simple gradio demo is now here. So let's try to run it. So all I'm trying to do, I'm just going to check it out on different things. I'm starting with a cartoonish image. So I'm giving it this text prompt that where we have a playful scene showing a whimsical steampunk laboratory run by adorable anthropomorphic animals, vintage cares, and a lot of other stuff. And this is the resolution. Let's generate the image. So it is generating the image at the moment. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming over 28 gig of VRAM, which is surprising. Okay, let's wait. But I think if you look at the image is quite good, very, very good quality, really good. And if I look at all the laboratory stuff, that looks quite good, and cartoons are there. It is also animated classic sort of thing, and studio quality is also there. Shadows are good. Okay, let's try out another one. In this one, I'm going to ask it to do me an epic cinematic close-up of a weathered pirate captain staring thoughtfully at the sea from the deck of his wooden ship. And it is generating the image. Let's check the VRAM consumption again. So it is just staying at that close to 29 gig of VRAM, I would say. So surprisingly enough, the Hugging Face card mentioned 60 GB of VRAM, but anyway, let's see. There you go. So not bad really. I mean, there is a pirate look, but I think the quality is cinematic. There is no doubt about it. Eyes can be improved, of course, but other than that, the wrinkles are there. And that is what I asked it to do, the detailed facial textures, and that is, I think, matches what they have described in their request card, because its instruction following is quite good. It says subtle reflections in his eyes, so reflections are there, but I think still not bad. I think I'll take it a good one. And then there is a dramatic two-light lighting, that is correct. It's a bokeh background, very nice, not bad. Okay, next up, let's try out something from fantasy. So I'm just going to ask you to do me in this magnificent elven warrior princess. And of course, you can change the resolution of image if you like. I think this, but I normally go with 1024 by 1024. And this one is quite good if you check it out. I mean, everything looks good from hair to waistline and all the ornamental dressing. Look at the background. Real blending brush strokes, which is really sort of a classical fantasy artwork. Pretty nice. Okay, let's try out another one. Maybe I'll go with abstract one this time. And in this one, I'm asking me to do a bold minimalistic visualization expressing human connection and empathy through abstract geometric shapes and thoughtful placement, striking simplicity, monochromatic color scheme, accented by a single insightful splash of color. Let's see what it generates. Wow, okay, that is a good abstract painting. What do you think? I think pretty interesting, I would say. If you are into the contemporary arts, let us know what do you think. Okay, next up I'm asking it to do me a richly detailed photorealistic capture of a festive scene in the historic Latin American plaza during Carnival celebration. So sort of a South American festive cultural reflection. So let's see how it goes. Almost there. Nice. Not bad. Pretty good, I would say. Look at the shadows and the time of the day. Really good. And then I'm asking it to draw me this African culture, Maasai warrior adorned in vividly patterned traditional robes and stuff. And wow, pretty nice. It's a real depiction of the warrior. Look at the facial expressions, the attire and everything. I think really world class. Okay, let's check it out. Another one. And then the next one, I'm just going to go with some artwork showcasing a sleek premium smartwatch resting against polished. So basically, it's an advertisement. I'm just checking if it can do the high level global advertising campaign. There you go. Not bad. Look, I think this is really good. Can't do the text that much, but that's fine. I didn't ask it. Maybe I can check the text writing too, but all in all, this advertisement looks really cool. Okay, next up, I'm just trying to see if it can write this subscribe to Fahad's channel. And then there is this strikingly beautiful blonde woman with luxurious flowing golden hair. And then the whole description of the scene. And my main focus is that if not only the human figure, but also if it can write the text. So let's see how it goes. There you go. So you guys don't listen to me, at least listen to her and subscribe to the channel and share it among your network. But I think the whole human figure, the eyes and everything looks exceptionally beautiful. Also the sunlight coming through, and all the letters are perfectly well. There is no spelling mistake. That's pretty good. So that's it. Very impressed with this HiDream. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.